Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Iced Carbonated Maple Hot Chocolate Blackberry Natural Flavor. First thing you gotta do is put the ice cubes into this mug. Then you open up this maple hot chocolate mix and you pour it into this mug. Last but not least, or not yet, this you pour in the water. Now we can get to the last but not least part. Now, last but not least, we pour in the blackberry natural flavor sparkling water. And here is the iced carbonated maple hot chocolate blackberry natural flavor. Enjoy, folks. Thank you for watching. Happy holidays for the rest of December. Peace.